Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Starbucks pumpkin spice latte to celebrate fall. So let's get started. To draw this warm cup of yumminess, let's first start by drawing a curve for the rim of our cup. So I'll start by right here, and I'm just going to go across. It's a soft curve across, about that much. From there, I'm going to bring this around as if I'm drawing like an oval. I'll curve it up. And I'm going to do the same thing over here. From there, I'm going to come in here and draw another curve right here and just follow my bottom curve. So we're just creating the lip of our cup here. There. So we just have this nice curve right there. Then from there, let's come up and we're going to draw the whipped cream on top. So come at this point right here, and I'm just going to go up with a slight curve. And same thing here. And on this side, I'm going to go one big curve and one dollop right on top right here. So I'm going to go up and we'll just come over, kind of like drawing a wave, and bring it down. So now that we have our dollop of whipped cream in, we can go ahead and just lightly draw some details. So like at this point right here, you can just lightly bring a curve over. Or you can do this when you're coloring so it's not so harsh. But I just want to give you an idea of what you could do. And so right here, you can go another curve as well. Just to make it look like all the different layers of this whipped cream. There. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the cup itself. So just come in a little bit right here and here. And I'm basically just going to draw an angle line down. So if just going to bring this down over here as well. Okay, you know what? I'm just going to go for it. I'm too lazy to get a ruler, so I'll just try my best here. And bring this all the way down. So if you're drawing pretty big and you have a ruler around, definitely use a ruler. Okay, so then on this side as well, try my best to follow the same angle. Take a look at my camera, make sure I'm going in the right direction. And one easy way to do that, since this is kind of like the bottom, I know this point right here is about in this area right here. So I can go ahead and say about this area like the other side and bring down a point to about the same area right there, and then I know where to go. So it makes my angle a little bit more accurate. There, oops, kind of. There, straighten it out. Then I can go ahead and round off the bottom and connect with a soft curve. There, now we have our cup in. So now that we have the cup in, we need to draw the circle for the logo. So I'm going to go ahead and find something in the right size for a circle template, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and luckily I was able to use this circle template that I have, and it was big enough just to go ahead and draw this circle. So I'm just going to start right here and trace my circle. And now we have this big circle, and I'm making it big because the logo to me is the most important part of this pumpkin spice latte here for Starbucks, and because I am making a slightly different changes to the logo, and so that's why I want it big as possible. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and draw my fall mermaid here. So I'll start, say about right here, giving myself enough room for a hat, for the beanie, I mean. So I'll just say about right here, I'll start. And I'm just going to draw a soft curve on the top, right in the center. From there, I'm going to go ahead and build this beanie. Another curve. And then at the top, I'm going to bring it up. Same thing over here. And at the top, of course, we're going to put a little soft star. There. So I'm still trying to incorporate all the elements in the original logo, of course. So now that we have a beanie in here for our mermaid, let's come in here and we're going to basically draw a curve for her face. So just kind of like a basic bottom of a U. There. Okay, so then from there, let's come down and we're going to give her a scarf, of course. So once again, curve and connect. And then her body. So let's come right here and we're going to curve out, kind of this hourglass shape and out. So we want to do the same thing on the other side. Out, in, and out, and in. Okay, so this is our basic shape that we want to draw. And I'm a little bit off center, but that's okay. So we just want to try our best to be right in the center because we do have two tails that we need to draw. From there, let's come out right here in this area, and I'm going to start to curve. And as I come down here, I'm going to try my best to follow this curve I've created. And out. And then come back in here with one more curve. Right in the middle. So same thing here for her hair. As we come right here, we're trying to follow the body shape right there and the inside. And then let's see here. Then from there, let's bring her to life. So nice and simple, just since it's so small, I'm just gonna come right here and give her a little dot for her eyes. And a sweet smile, of course. And some eyebrows. Okay, and then let's see here. From there, let's draw more details on the scarf. So right here, I'm just going to bring down a little tail for a scarf and then another layer in the back and the tail. So let's come out about right here. And I'm just basically going to draw a curve that comes out and comes to about right there. So we're kind of where her beanie starts. And I'm going to curve in. And let's draw some of these curved lines. I'll just put in 4. So same thing over here. And about right there. And once again, the tail. And here. 3 and 4. And then her hands. So about right here, I'm just going to tuck in 2 curves. For her hands. And if you like, you can put some details in this beanie here. As well as the scarf for some details. And that is pretty much it for my fall inspired Starbucks logo. Okay, so then from there, if you want, you can also create a sleeve that this logo is on so that it's not just pure white. So I'm just going to go ahead and right over this circle, say about here, drag a point right across, make sure I'm going the right area. And I'll just follow my top curve to create kind of like the sleeve. So same thing here. I'll see how that looks. Maybe all white or with a sleeve. If I don't want a sleeve, I'll just go ahead and erase that line. Okay, so we're, oh, and then of course, because it's nice and hot, let's come up here and I'm just going to draw some steam that kind of looks like a heart. Why not, right? There. So now that the main part of this drawing is done, let's add some more elements to make it extra cute. But before I do that, I realized I should come in here and just retrace my circle right here, just to make it darker, so it pops out a little bit more. Okay, there. So now let's come to the side right here. We're going to draw a pumpkin, of course. So I'm going to start right here, a small little pumpkin, and I'll just draw a curve for the center. Another curve for the sides, and I'll bring it out. So we just want to create some fun and very simple, cute little things right here that we can add to our pumpkin spice. And the stem right here, and very lightly, I'm just going to draw a line all the way around. Very lightly. Then from there, then we have our pumpkin. Let's bring it to life, of course. So I'm just going to give it simple little happy eyes and a smile, of course. A curve on top of each eye. There. And I'll cap off. And you can add a little swirly thing here at the top. And some lines for detail. Okay, so we have our pumpkin in. Now, let's see here. I'll draw on this side, kind of in the same level, a pumpkin cream cheese muffin, of course, right? So let's come about right here. And I'm going to come right across about this area. And I'll go ahead and connect it. A soft curve. And at the top right here, I'm just going to wobble the way across. And I'll bring this out. Same thing on this side for a muffin. And at the top, I'm going to put a dollop of cream cheese. So I'm just going to go across right here with a wobble. And same thing at the top. So just wobble at the top for some cream cheese, and then some just here and there pop out some of these circles for some crumble. There. Yum, right? Okay, and let's bring this muffin here to life. So I'm going to come in here with 2 circles. And I have to add some Draw So Cute eyes, right? So I'm just going to try my best to make these Draw So Cute eyes, even though they're so small. But 2 circles inside for highlights, curve line at the bottom, and shade in the top, and lines at the bottom. So same thing here. There. And then a sweet smile once again. So right in the center, in between, curve, and then maybe just even happier smile. There. And a curve on top of each eye for a muffin. From there, let's draw some cinnamon sticks. So I'll put 2 in this area right here. So let's start with the one on the top. And I'm just going to come about right here and draw an oval. And I'm going to come in here and just swirl. And I'm just going to stick this angle out right here. About this much. And take curve. And connect for our stick of cinnamon. If you like, you can add a line right there. And so then another one at the bottom. So about right here. Angle out. And same thing over here. So just going to swirl and connect. And if you like, you can add maybe like a fall leaf right here. So I'll just go ahead and add it here. And I'm just going to come out. Simple leaf. Curve and in. And a center vein. Right there. And let's see, maybe some star anise, right? Because it is a pumpkin spice. So right here, kind of as if you're drawing a flower. Five. And you can come in here, thicken it up. And maybe one more. At a different angle. There, and you can even add here and there just some spices and some nutmeg, things like that. There, just to add to it. And so last thing we want to do is go ahead and put a straight line across. So it looks like we're on a table. So I'll start by right there. Look at my camera, make sure I'm still straight. And come out by right here. Okay, and so that is pretty much it, except I almost forgot, right? I'm going to add a heart right here on the Starbucks cup to make it my Draw So Cute Starbucks pumpkin spice latte to celebrate fall. I really hope this drawing was fun and easy for you to follow along with me, and it really inspires you to draw this to celebrate fall, my favorite time of the year. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you